In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp and QuickBooks together. If you want to connect your accounting data with your email marketing platform, integrating Mailchimp with QuickBooks can make your workflow much more efficient. This setup allows you to use customer and transaction information from QuickBooks inside Mailchimp, so you can create more targeted campaigns, improve audience segmentation, and better understand customer behavior without relying on manual imports. To get started, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign in to the account you want to connect. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm that you are inside the correct account before continuing. It is also important to make sure you have the necessary permissions to add integrations. Some organizations restrict these settings to administrators only. Once you are inside Mailchimp, navigate to the Integrations section. This area is where Mailchimp lists apps and services that can connect directly with your account. Depending on the layout of your dashboard, you may find it through the main navigation menu or inside your account settings. Mailchimp occasionally updates its interface, but the integrations area is still easy to locate. After the integrations page opens, use the search bar near the top of the screen to narrow down the list of available apps. Type QuickBooks into the search field and wait for the results to appear. Make sure you choose the official QuickBooks integration provided by Intuit rather than a third-party alternative. The official integration will clearly mention syncing customer and financial data for marketing purposes. Click the QuickBooks integration to open its details page. Here, you will see information explaining what the connection does, what type of data is shared, and any permission requirements involved. Reviewing this page is helpful because it gives you a better understanding of how Mailchimp will use your QuickBooks information for segmentation, personalization, and reporting. When you are ready to continue, click the Connect button. This starts the secure authorization process. Your browser may open a new tab or a pop-up window, so if you use a pop-up blocker, you may need to temporarily allow it for this step. Next, sign in using the Intuit account connected to your QuickBooks company. If you manage multiple companies, carefully select the correct one before moving forward. You may also be asked to complete additional security verification if your account uses multi-factor authentication. After signing in, QuickBooks will display the permissions requested by Mailchimp. Review the access details carefully, then approve the connection if everything looks correct. Once approved, you will be redirected back to Mailchimp with a confirmation that the integration is active. The first synchronization may take a few moments, depending on the size of your customer database. Once completed, your QuickBooks data can be used inside Mailchimp to create smarter audience segments, personalize campaigns, and improve reporting insights. And that's it. You've successfully connected Mailchimp with QuickBooks, creating a more streamlined and data-driven marketing workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.